See, we have in a statement, we have ascertained one more weapon, which I have said. Today they have shown us, because of the kind of terrain out there, which is a perpendicular fall to the gorge. The SDRF is here and they will be recovering it. If they can get today, we're hoping that they should get today. If not, then tomorrow. But the whole the hitting of the victim with that, or using that weapon on the victim, has been ascertained, and where that weapon was thrown from has also been ascertained.
So the third one from the neck.
See, there were, as per the post-mortem report, there were two wounds on the head. So the third one, which Anand has said, when he had taken his shot, he was very nervous, and I think it didn't make much of an impact. Also, if there's an impact, also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, the post-mortem examination wasn't able to ascertain that gash out there. But the two head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear.
Sir, where is Sonam's phone?
Sorry?
Sonam ka phone mila, sir?
See, Sonam's phone she's actually destroyed that phone and thrown off that phone. Sonam was there when this happened and all that, and Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job. And Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right, or to his left. When this happened, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that. She ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot. And the body was thrown by the three of them. Two of them held from the hands and one person held from the legs. And he was thrown down. They have mentioned out there that he had because it's terrace, that the precipice out there is terrace. The body had fallen into one kind of a platform, and from there on went right down. The postmortem says he died because of the sharp weapon. Yes. We actually, in the beginning, we had thought that somebody was actually moving around up and down. But actually, this is if you go this way, and you go out this way, it's a zigzag. So the zigzag is actually this one. It's not somebody going up and down. Is actually finding out its motive, though the preliminary investigation, as we have already said, that there's a love triangle, but we are trying to explore if there's any other thing more. This investigation doesn't end here. That the accused have admitted, we have got evidence, we have reconstructed and admitted. It doesn't end here. We will explore if there's any other motive. Right now, the motive which appears in front of us is this love triangle, and we will explore further.
What about the swing bag that Raja was carrying?
The bag was taken by the three of them. Raj is an employee in Sonam's family's company. His disappearance out there would be suspicious. That's why he was always in touch with the family. See, Raj is an employee in Sonam's family's company. His disappearance out there would be suspicious. That's why he was always in touch with the family. Very much. Yes, very much. Right from the beginning, I said in her statements, she has already admitted to this whole scheme of things. Yes? No, it's not. Day after tomorrow. No.
Sir, body उठाने में सोनम ने भी मदद की?
No.
Sir, we seek the more time from the court, sir.
When they attacked Raj, were Vishal and Akash both
Yes.
Anand, how did he hit? Like the last one?
Anand, Akash had given him. Akash had given Anand, and had taken the last shot.
She expressed regret, all four of them.
See, when any criminal who is actually caught will regret their actions and all that. So we cannot say whether they have remorse. Regret they have, remorse I can't say.
Did she cry while reaching that spot where she committed the crime?
Kumna?
Cried.
Kumna? Kumna?
How was her expression when he said?
I don't think so. There's any. She was actually just replying to what we said and all that, but there was no crying.
How did she know about this place, this Boisaro? Why did they choose this place?
It was, according to them, is by chance that they chose this place. They were actually all along multiple places wanted to actually finish him off. Like I said, right from Nongriat also they wanted, but there was no place to dispose. So multiple places around they looked, and when they just happened to move into this place, they found it was empty, and there was a viewpoint which they were hanging around out there in that viewpoint. So that was the chance they took.
सर सोशल मीडिया पर तो वीडियो वायरल है जो लास्ट वीडियो बताया जा रहा है जिसमें सोनम भी दिख रही है और तीनों कातिल भी दिख रहे हैं तो क्या उस शख्स को पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया जाएगा उसकी स्टेटमेंट ली जाएगी
Yes, in fact that will help us also because the whole thing is we are trying to prove is that these people were there together. So that video also in fact just helps us. So the person who recorded that, we will reach out to him and he'll.
Can we rule out that
See, as of now, because you see, you have number one is in this day and age, you have Google, you have GPS and all that. So it's not very difficult actually to get to the main road. Okay, so we'll show you the closest approach to get to the main road. It's not very difficult in this day and age. And but regarding whether they came, none of these people have visited Shillong before. However, we will still investigate in this matter if actually they had prior information to this place or they've visited this place prior to this incident.
Sir, is the police satisfied with the 8 days custody or you're seeking for more?
Well, no, we'll take a call on that. I'll have to sit with the in charge SIT and his team and all that. Whether they will let me know whether they still require some more days. Perhaps they will.
सर लव ट्रायंगल के अलावा क्या फाइनेंशियल एंगल भी है
See, like I said, immediately which comes to the fore is this love triangle. Investigation has just started. We will explore more into this. If there are other angles, if there's a financial angle, if somebody was to gain from Raja's death, like you said, if Raja was going to bag a contract, we will verify all these. In fact, right now as we are speaking, my team is there in Indore. They have gone to the flat of the flat where Sonam was kept. They have conducted search out there. The flat is empty, but they will be camping in Indore for actually questioning a lot of things. No.
Can you tell us?
Raja is not known. These three were not known to Raja. In fact, once they made friends, and since the plan was known to Sonam and these three people, so when they said that they'll go to Dauki, Raja automatically made friends with them because they're from. They had said that they're going to MP, also to Dauki, and so they made plans together that from here they'd go to Dauki. Not to our knowledge, and they've never visited this place. They have not heard about this place before also. According to them, it's by chance. But we will explore that, like I said, whether they've come here before. And if they've come here before, then they'd be familiar with the place. Do some questioning out there. They will find out what is the background and a lot of any other angle. They'll be doing the questioning out there.